Pizza Hut would have been cheaper. Yesterday may have been the easiest day I've ever had at my job in 6 years. They had me doing something that required exactly 0 brain cells, which I know, that's a perfect job for me, but it did give my mind time to wander. A guy I was working with mentioned there was going to be pizza at lunch, and that got me thinking about how I haven't had my favorite pizza from Pizza Hut since the only one around here closed 4 years ago. I love that place, but I'm not driving 70 miles round trip for it. Then I remembered seeing someone do a supreme pasta bake, and voila, here we are. So I spent the rest of the day doing a mental shopping list and figuring out how I was going to do my version. The Super Supreme from Pizza Hut's my go-to, so let's take all of that, add some pasta, and bake it. Elbow macaroni, seasoned ground beef and pork, Italian sausage, ham, green peppers, mushrooms, red onions, black olives, way more sauce than you saw me use, 2 kinds of cheese, and finally pepperoni. $4.25 for 20 minutes. I even got out the fancy shredded Parmesan cheese. No sawdust today.